Good morning, students. Today we'll take up the topic soils of India. To begin with, there are 6 types of soils found in India: the alluvial soil, black soil, red and yellow soil, laterite soil, mountain soil, and the desert soil. The important things that we have to understand about the soils of India is the formation, the areas where they are found, the main contents of the soil, and the crops which are actually grown on these soils. This map shows the distribution of soils in India that you have to practice in your notebooks. We'll start with the alluvial soil. As the name suggests, the alluvial soils are formed from the alluvium, that is, the silt that is transported and deposited by the rivers. So, these soils, they are found in the river valleys of Ganga, Indus and Brahmaputra rivers. The deltaic regions of Godavari, Krishna and coastal areas of peninsular India. The main areas of alluvial soil includes Punjab, Haryana, UP, Bihar, Uttaranchal and West Bengal. The alluvial soil is rich in potash and lime, whereas it is deficient in organic and nitrogenous content. This soil is very fertile and it covers 40% region of India and supports almost half of the population. Because the soil is very fertile, so it supports the cultivation of rice, wheat, cotton, oilseeds and sugarcane. The second type of soil found in India is the black soil. The black soil is formed due to the disintegration of the igneous rocks which are found in the Deccan Plateau region of India. The main areas where these soils are found are valley regions of Godavari, Krishna, Narmada, Tapi, and the areas are parts of Maharashtra, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. The black soil is rich in lime, iron, potash, magnesium, alumina and calcium. But again, it is deficient in nitrogen content and the humus content. But these soils have maximum capacity to hold the moisture and they become sticky during the rainy season. The major crops which are grown in these soils includes cotton, tobacco, oilseeds and the sugar cane. The third type of soils found in India includes red and yellow soils. The red and yellow soils are found in the areas adjoining the black soil region as they are formed due to the disintegration of metamorphic form of the black soils or the igneous rocks. Then the main areas where they are found are Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Chotanagpur Plateau region. These soils, as they are formed from the metamorphic form of igneous rocks, are rich in iron content, but they are deficient in phosphorus, nitrogen, humus and the lime content. The red soils, they are coarser in nature, that means they have porosity and they do not retain the moisture. They need regular fertilization for the cultivation of crops. However, these soils are suitable for the cultivation of wheat, cotton, rice, pulses and the sugarcane crops. The fourth type of soil is laterite soil. Laterite soils are formed due to the process called leaching. Students, leaching is the process of draining out of the soluble minerals from the soil due to heavy rainfall. And as the formation can be understood, these soils will be found in the heavy rainfall regions, that is parts of Western Ghats, Assam Hills, mainly Meghalaya region as well, These soils are also rich in iron, but these soils are deficient in potassium, lime, silica, phosphoric acid, and nitrogen content. These soils are acidic in nature because the soluble minerals they get washed out due to the heavy rainfall. They are porous because they are coarser in nature, so the water drains out of these areas very easily. The main crops which are grown in the areas of laterite soil includes coffee, rubber, cashews, and tapioca. The fifth type of soil found in India is the desert or the arid soil. Students, these soils are formed due to the mechanical disintegration of the rocks because these are low rainfall regions, so alternate freeze and thaw activity leads to the disintegration of rocks and formation of these soils. The main areas where these soils are found are northwestern parts of India, that includes state of Rajasthan, northern parts of Gujarat, southern part of Punjab, and also the western parts of Madhya Pradesh. Because these soils are found in the low rainfall regions, so they have very high proportion of salts in them. And these soils are found in low vegetation regions, so they are poor in organic content. These soils are loose and porous soils as they are coarser in nature, so water drains out of them. The main crops which can be grown only with the help of irrigation in these areas includes wheat, bajra, melons, and grams. The sixth and the last type of soil found in India is the mountain soil. Students, as the name suggests, this soil is found in the hilly summits of Himalayan region. They are formed due to mechanical weathering which is done by the snow, the rain, the temperature variations, because alternate freeze and thaw activity leads to disintegration of the rocks and the formation of the soils in hilly areas. These areas includes Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Himachal Pradesh, and Jammu and Kashmir. These soils, they are less fertile mainly because of the erosion that is taking place in these regions. They are very thin layers of soils found in the area. They are also deficient in potash, phosphorus, and lime content, but these crops can be grown on the mountain soils, that is wheat, maize, and with irrigation in some parts rice. Thank you very much.